gentlemen, on behalf of the United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Ken Wilsbach, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, we welcome you to today's F-22 demonstration! I'm F-22 Demonstration Team Superintendent, Master Sergeant John Lugo from Tempe, Arizona. As a proud member of Air Combat Command's 1st Fighter Wing, located at Joint Base Langley-Eustis in Hampton, Virginia, it is my distinct pleasure to describe for you today a capability demonstration by the world's most technologically advanced 5th-generation stealth fighter aircraft in the world. The F-22 Raptor's mission is air dominance. It supports our joint forces and allies to freely operate in the joint fight, anytime, anywhere. And your 2024 F-22 demo fighter pilot with over 900 hours flying the F-22 Raptor. From Davenport, Iowa, Captain Samuel Raz Larson. You are about to witness the maneuvering capabilities of the most advanced and most lethal fighter aircraft in the United States Air Force. The F-22 you will see today is an unmodified and fully combat-capable aircraft. While we can't show you everything that makes the F-22 Raptor the most lethal fighter aircraft in the world, we will show you its raw power and thrust vector maneuvering capability as it executes maneuvers that no other combat-ready fighter aircraft in the world can perform. As today's demonstration begins from the left, you'll see the Raptor execute a maximum power takeoff, producing 70,000 pounds of thrust from its powerful F-119 engines. The Raptor will virtually leap off the runway in an amazing 1,000 feet. At a safe altitude, Captain Larson will quickly loop the aircraft, reversing his flight path and then roll while diving straight down. So now it is time to stand up, move forward and get ready. The show is about to begin. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the most feared aircraft in the world today, the United States Air Force's F-22 Raptor! Of gravity. Watch from the right as the Raptor demonstrates its tight turn capability with a minimum radius of all the time. Comes in any combination of 8 missiles and up to 8 precision satellite-guided bombs. The F-22 is the first supersonic, multi-role, and highly stealth fighter in the world with the fully internal combat weapons load. Carries as the Raptor fakes it from the left and cycles its weapons bay doors. Folks, if you ever wonder where those bombs and missiles hide, here is your answer. position and show you what those advanced flight controls and engines can do. As it executes the power loop, you'll see why the aircraft is unmatched in a vertical fight. As it handling characteristics are phenomenal. Watch now as Captain Larson repositions the aircraft to crowd left, reduces the power, slowing the Raptor down to less than 90 knots, and loads up on a high angle of attack. After the pass, you'll once again feel the raw power of the jet as Captain Larson lights those afterburners and climbs straight up into the vertical. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, the F-22 Raptor's power loop to slow speed pass. The F-22 will now set up to perform a Hoover pitch. This maneuver is a double knife edge, separated by an inverted tuck, followed by a pitch to line up in preparation for our heritage flight. This will be another great opportunity to capture the Raptor on your camera during our demonstration. Ladies and gentlemen, named after the late legendary Bob Hoover, the Raptor's Hoover pitch. describe the unique history of what you're about to watch. In 1997, the leaders of Air Combat Command assembled a select group of retired military and civilian performers to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the United States Air Force. In 2010, the Air Force Heritage Flight Foundation joined with the United States Air Force to keep this popular program flying. From this gathering was born the Heritage Flight. It is a unique visual representation of the Air Force's history, from the days of the Army Air Corps to the present. What started out as a one-time event has grown in popularity and demand, and now Heritage Flights are performed at air shows and special events in the United States and around the world. Please turn with me now and watch as this rare formation approaches from behind and to the right. Formation today is an A-1 Skyraider piloted by Mr. Greg B.A. Anders, and a United States Air Force F-22 Raptor piloted by Captain Samuel Raz Larson.
Freedom requires a sacrifice.
watching this rare display of classic and current United States Air Force aircraft on our journey from heritage to horizons. Ladies and gentlemen, here's United States Air Force Heritage. Enjoy watching and taking pride in this rare display of more than 70 years of air power heritage. Abbotsford, let me hear you if you want one more pass. With some gas left in the tank, inbound from the left, the F-22 Raptor in the incredible 360-degree tactical pitch. Brad, light it up! A-1 Skyraider from the west with the You can follow us on Facebook, X, and Instagram at F-22 Demo Team. On behalf of the United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Ken Wilsbach, and all the men and women of Air Combat Commands, thank you for your attendance, thank you for your support, and thank you for having us here. Raptors out!
Abbotsford, make some noise because they did for the F-22 Raptor. It's been such a pleasure having you guys here this year. Thank you so much. We'll see you again soon, I hope. And friends, you can always tell how loud an airplane is by the amount of car alarms that are going off. There are a lot of car alarms going off right now as we speak. Lots of air shows still coming up. We've got the backwards airplane taking to the skies here in just a few moments. Melissa Burns will be coming up. The CF-18 Hornet is on its way. And of course, your Canadian Forces Snowbirds as the F-22 Raptor. What a cool, mean-looking machine that is as it just rolls out here in Abbotsford. Are you guys enjoying yourselves today? You having fun? Make some noise, my friends. Awesome. Friends, if you're hungry, there's something wrong because there's mini donuts. Ken was saying you can smell kettle corn floating over this way. There's poutine. There's all sorts of yummy stuff. So wander around and don't forget to check out all the merchandise that we have here as well. Air show souvenir merchandise, of course, commemorating the 100th anniversary of your Royal Canadian Air Force. There's shirts, there's hats, there's pins, there's books, there's models, there's all sorts of things in there. So make sure you wander by and check out all the merchandise as well. Shout out to our friends at St. John Ambulance for being here as well. Hopefully their services are not being required.